Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling what matters: location, app permission, and high accuracy mode. These give Google Maps the raw data it needs. Once done, open Maps and confirm GPS lock by watching the blue dot. If it flickers, calibrate the compass with a figure 8 motion. Make sure Wi-Fi is on even if you're not connected, because networks help triangulate your position quickly. Now proceed. These steps let you act on the map with accurate inputs rather than guessing. Next, fix the visible marker. Drop a pin at the precise spot by long pressing on the map and open the place card to access edit options. Then select Report a Problem or Edit the Map. This allows you to move the marker, correct the address, and explain why the change is needed. If the location is a business, claim the listing to control details permanently. Make sure to add specific notes so reviewers accept the correction faster, and submit the edit when you're confident. Finish by verifying the change. Restart Google Maps and your phone so settings refresh. If the wrong location persists, clear the Maps cache and app settings. Once restarted, test GPS accuracy using a different mapping app or walk to an open area to get a stronger signal. If edits don't appear after a day, make sure permissions and app updates are correct. Then submit a clearer report, a problem with photos or landmarks. This increases the chance reviewers accept your fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.